On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make $3.42 in every 60 seconds. This method that I'm about to show you is completely free, easy to use, and the best part is that wherever you are in the world, you can use this method to make money from home as a complete beginner. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next video. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create your CPAGrip account. Once you create your account, the next step is that you are going to search for an offer. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, offer tools. Once you click on the offer tools, you are going to click on my offers. Once you click on my offers, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to search for an offer that you want to promote. As you can see right here, these are offers that you can promote in the United Kingdom. You can see a whole lot of different offers. You can see many of them. But when you look at the offers, you can see that most of them are going to pay us very low. You can see this one right here. We are going to be earning 76 cents per every lead that we get. So when we get people to install an application, we are going to be paid this amount right here. You can see this one right here. The requirement is that we need somebody to enter a credit card from the United Kingdom so that we can be paid $3.42. But the challenge is that it is difficult for us to get people to enter their credit card details for us to earn the money. So what we have to do is that we have to find offers that are easy for people to complete so that we can be earning money. You can see this one right here. The requirement is PIN submit. So when you get people to enter a PIN from the United Kingdom, you are going to be paid 51 cents. As you can see it right here. So when we look through, you can see that the offers here, they have lower payout. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to search for offers in a different country so that we can get offers that have higher payout, so that anytime we get a lead, we can be earning a lot of money. So right here, we are going to search for United States. So just type US right here. Once you type it, you can see United States. Just click on it. Once you search for the United States, you can see offers that you can promote to earn money. You can see this offer right here. The requirement is that your potential visitor must enter an email or zip code so that you can be earning $3.42. You can see it right here. You can see this one right here. The requirement is the same. The payout is also the same. You can see this one right here. The requirement is email and zip submit, and the payout is $2.06. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll and then check the offers so that you can select one of these offers to promote. In this case, what we are going to do is that we are going to promote this particular offer right here. The requirement is very easy. You can see email and zip submit. So when we get people from the United States to enter their email or zip code, we are going to be paid $3.42. The good part of this offer is that it is allowed on Android, it is allowed on Apple iOS, it's allowed on desktop. So any of the devices that your potential visitor is using, they can complete the offer for you to make money. So now what you have to do is that you have to get your affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, you have to just click on the name of the offer. Once you click on the name of the offer, you can see right here, this is the description, and you can see right here, this is the warning. This offer is allowed on Android in the United States, and you can see this is your affiliate link. So when you get people to complete the offer through this particular link, you are going to be earning $3.42 per every lead that you get. So now what we have to do is that we have to find a traffic source whereby we can get people from the United States to complete the offer for us to make money. So the next step is that you are going to search for this website adbtc.top. This particular website is going to pay us to watch websites, but in this case we are not going to use it for that purpose. We want to use it to drive traffic to our affiliate link so that we can get people to complete the offer for us to make money. So what you have to do is that you have to join this particular website. To sign up for an account, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, sign in with Google. So just click on it so that you can sign up for a free account. Once you create your free account and log in, you are going to see a page like this. You can see you have two options, whether you want to earn money for viewing ads or you want to promote your web page. In this case, what we want to do is that we want to promote our web page. So just click right here, add link. Once you click on add link, you can see URL. This is where you are going to paste your affiliate link, and you can see short description will be shown to users, 100 symbols maximum. So we have to paste the description of the offer right here and then our affiliate link right here. So now what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPAGrip. Once you are on CPAGrip, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, copy link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. Just paste it. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your affiliate link, the next step is that you are going to paste the description right here. So just come back on CPAGrip. You can see this is the description of the offer. So just highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see right here base price. So this is the price that you are going to be paying for your ad. I'll show you later how to get this particular money. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see view duration. So your potential visitor is going to view your ad for a maximum of 15 seconds. If you want to increase it, you can increase it to 30 seconds, 45 seconds, 1 minute. In this case, what we want to do is that we have to leave it with the 15 seconds, so it's enough for people to take action. Once that is done, you can see daily visit. So if you want to limit it, you can enter that, but in this case we are going to leave it with the default, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here on mobile and desktop, so the offer is allowed on mobile and desktop, so just leave it like that. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down right here. You can see geo targeting. So this is where we are going to select the country where the offer is allowed. In our case, the offer is allowed in the United States, so you have to just search through and then find the United States. So just look through where is the United States. So we have to search for United States. You can see United Kingdom. You can see it right here, USA. So just select that. That is where the offer is allowed, USA, United States. Once you have selected the country, you are going to come right here. You can see 18 plus. If the offer is not allowed for people below 18, you can select that, but in this case the offer is allowed, so we are going to leave it like that. Once that is done, we are going to click right here, start campaign. Once you click on start campaign, you can see you can manage this ad from your account, so just click on that. Once you click on that, you can see this is your ad. You can see it right here, but it's not currently running. So what you have to do is that you have to add funds to it so that it can begin running. You can see I have a lot of different ads on this platform. You can see this method is working. I actually use it. As you can see, these are my ads. So now what you have to do is that you have to add the funds. So just click on please add funds here. Once you click on that, you are going to deposit some money. So in this case, I just want to deposit 100. So that is it. Once that is done, you are going to click on submit. Once you click on submit, you can see your ad is waiting approval. So within a matter of some minutes, it is going to be approved and you are going to be getting clicks to your affiliate link. Once you get the clicks, you can get people to complete the offer for you to make money. But I want to explain something to you. You can see I added funds. So how do you get the funds? To get the funds, you are going to come right here. You can see here and just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see save as. So just click on that. Once you click on the save as, you can see mathematical expression. They want to verify whether you are a human or a robot. So in this case, what you have to do is that you have to show them that you are a human. For the mathematical expression, it is difficult for you to get it, so you have to select recapture. So just select that. Once you select the recapture, you can see I'm not a robot, so just click on that. Once you click on that, you are going to select the right images as stated here. You can see traffic lights, so just select that. Once that is done, click on next. You can see you have to keep on, so they say motorcycle, so just click on every part of the motorcycle. Just click on every part of it. Click on verify. Now you can see it has been verified that we are not a robot. So once that is done, you can see price. If you view this particular ad, you are going to earn 24.5 Santoshes. So once you earn the Santoshes, it's going to appear right here and you can then move it to advertising. So let me just demonstrate it for you to see. This is the price that we are going to earn. So just click on open. Once you click on open, you are going to be redirected to the advertisers page. You can see it right here. So now what we have to do is that we have to wait for some seconds so that we can earn the Santoshes. So we are going to wait for it. So just wait for some few seconds and you are going to earn the Santoshes. As you can see, we are going to wait for it. You can see it left with 7 seconds, 5 seconds. So let's wait for it to finish. You can see 1 second. You can see right now we have earned the 24.5 Santoshes. And you can see it has been added here. The next one we are going to earn 2.1 Santoshes. So the price keep on changing. So if you want, you keep on opening them so that you can earn a lot of Santoshes. Now once you earn it, you can withdraw it in the form of money, but the Santoshes is very low. It's not up to $1. So we are going to use it for advertising. We want to rather use it to get people to click on our link and then take the action for us to make money. If you withdraw this amount, you are not going to get anything. It is not even up to $1, so just use it to advertise. In order for you to use it for advertising, what you have to do is that you have to move the balance right here to advertising balance. So you have to move it from here to here. To do that, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see this option right here, withdraw. So just click on that. Once you click on withdraw, you can see move to advertising balance. Click on that. Once you click on that, you can see this is the total amount. It has appeared here. So if you want to move everything to advertising, you can do that. If you don't want, you can type the amount that you want. Let me just demonstrate it for you to see. 50. So once that is done, you are going to click on move. Once you click on move, you can see success. You can see it has been deducted right here and it has now appeared here. So what you have to do is that you have to now use the balance right here to advertise so that you can get people to click on your link and then take the necessary action. So let's go back so that I will show you whether our ad has been approved or not. So we are going to come right here, advertising. Once you click on advertising, click on save as. Once you click on that, you can see our ad has not been approved yet, but it will be approved. So you have to wait for some few minutes so that it can be approved, and then you are going to be getting traffic. You can see I have a lot of different ads here. You can see this one has paused. The reason why it has paused is that I have to add funds to it so that it can keep running. You can see I have many of them that has paused. I have to add funds so that they can keep on running. So what you have to do is that you have to keep on using this particular website so that you can drive quality traffic to your affiliate links. The people who are going to click on your links, they are real people. They are not going to be robots because they have to complete a captcha before they get access to your affiliate link. So you are not going to get robots. You are going to get real people who will visit your affiliate link. Once they visit it, if they like the offer, they are going to enter their details and you are going to be making money. This is a quality traffic source, so make sure you take action so that you can be making money using this particular strategy.